How to fix Viber login problem after update. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can fix Viber login problem after updates. So without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. Now, whether or not the Viber app is updated is not a matter of issue. If you're facing the login issue on Viber, it could be happening due to multiple reasons. The first thing you want to make sure is to check whether or not it's the issue with your internet. So if you're using Wi-Fi, you can try to switch your cellular data or vice versa and then see if that helps you solve the problem. If that doesn't, if you're using Viber app on Android, do not try from the same page over and over again. Long press the Viber app icon and tap the I button to come to the app info page. From here, just go to storage and you can clear the cache files and also try to clear the data of the Viber app. Then go to your Play Store or App Store, check if the Viber app has another update. If it has, then make sure to update it again to the latest version because they could have rolled out a fix where it most likely is solving the login issue. You also want to make sure if your Viber app is actually the phone number that you enter within it is correct, because sometimes due to an incorrect phone number also that could be happening, and make sure that you have got access to this number. Hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end of the tutorial and see you soon in the next video.